Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple silicone case, particularly in the product red color. I had the silicone case for my iPhone XS Max last year in the midnight blue color, and it was a very nice color. I actually ordered that when I ordered the iPhone, so I had that from day one. This time, when I ordered the case, I actually ordered the wrong size, and I just didn't pick one up for a while. So I finally picked this one up. They run $39 or $39.99 depending on where you get it. But I picked it up at Best Buy for, I think it was $39.99. Very nice color. I like the red ones. I haven't had a product red silicone case since I think back in the iPhone 8 Plus days. 8 Plus days back when I had one of those. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it here. As always, Apple packaging is very easy to open. It just peels right out. And there is your packaging. It's got a little thing on showing you how to put the phone in there, which is fairly straightforward. So we're just going to pop in the top here, pop in the bottom. It does fit very nicely, not hard to get in at all, and it makes the phone look very, very nice. I love the bright red that they use for the product red colors, and that is in the iPhone XS, or the iPhone XR and the iPhone 11 colors as well. So if you want an actual red phone, you can pick one of those up in the product red color. If not, you can always pick up a product red silicone case or a product red leather case. The leather cases are a little bit darker, but the silicone ones are very, very bright. They add a pretty good amount of protection to the back. They are raised just slightly on the front. They're probably not going to add too much screen protection, though. I do have a screen protector on, as I've said before, so I'm not worried about that. They don't cover the bottom here, so that is totally exposed. But if you hit like that, it's not actually touching the aluminum of the phone because of the corners right here. It does raise it up a little bit. So you'd have to hit it just right on something that protrudes up a little bit to strike the bottom open area right here. Got your mute switch right there, your volume buttons, and your power button right there. So very, very nice case. I will link it down below to where you can pick one up. If it's not available on Amazon, I'll link it to like Best Buy or the Apple website or something like that. But if it's available on Amazon, I link it to there because of the free shipping for most of you guys who are Prime members. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.